Mabuhay MMKS!
Welcome back to my channel, Meldy Baldovino. I'm in the event right now of Metro Manila JC Senate and Manilena here in New World Hotel. Welcome back to my channel. This is Meldy Baldovino and I'm in the event of Metro Manila JC Senate. Dito tayo sa event natin for the first time.
Yes,
this is our first fellowship with Manilena. Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck sa aming lahat.
Okay, see you. Yes. Thirsty. This is the trophy for the karaoke challenge. So, claim na namin to. Sa amin na tong isa.
Here's Elena at the bar, as you can see, a bottle of water with.
So, this is the trophy for the karaoke challenge.
Congratulations, JCI Manilena!
Yes, enjoy some drinks and music all throughout the night. Again, may request all our beloved guests at the registration table to please go inside, join us here inside, go to your respective seats, and let's have fun tonight. Okay, so I'll see you in a while, guys.
About to start now. May entertainer pala tayo dito.
Hi, press.
Thank you so much. Salamat tayo sa
El Lanois was kind enough to offer 10% of their total bar sales that will go to the community projects of Manilena. So please help yourself to some drinks, order some food. This is all for a good cause. So order as much as you can tonight, because 10% of the profit again will go to the Manilena's community project. So again, thank you very much, everyone.
Mabuhay MMKS!
Yan, simpatiko to.
Congrats!
We are about to start our celebration this evening. This is free seating, so you can sit anywhere that you want.
Yes.
May request everyone to please stand up as we are going to sing our national anthem. Everyone, let's all stand up. I creed, and to lead us with the JCI creed.
Protocols we observe, let us all recite the JCI Creed with unison and with conviction. JCI values. We believe that
faith in God gives meaning and purpose to human life,
that
the brotherhood of man transcends the severity of nations, that economic justice can best be won by free men with free enterprise,
that government should be upheld rather than upheld, that Earth's great treasure lies in human personality, and that service to humanity is the best work of life. JCI prayer. We reaffirm our conviction that faith in God gives meaning and purpose to human life. May the good Lord guide us in all our undertakings. JCI mission. To provide leadership development opportunities that empower young people to create positive change. JCI vision. To be the foremost global network of young leaders.
Thank you very much. So everyone, let's all take your seat. Find your respective seats with you. Parang party mood na rin si Sir namin. Okay. And from Senate Pasay, up from South, let's welcome VP South Senator Meldy Baldovino. Isang ikot nga dyan, Senator.
Of course, palapakan natin yung inyong kabaro, Senator JJ Diquito. All enjoy the evening. Thank you and good evening.
Yes.
I would like to thank the Senate President of Manila, President Arman Valencia. Thank you very much with your team. Thank you. Without you, this would be successful. And the past President of Senate Manila, Pres Randy Manaloto. Thank you very much, Pres. She's my Senate President. And that's all. Thank you. Let's start the event.
Thank you very much, Senator JJ Diquito. As sinabi nga ni Sir JJ Diquito na let's have all some fun tonight. So I only have one question for our JCI and of course our JCI Senate officers and of course JCI Manilena. Are you ready to party?
Are you ready?
Parang bola nga again. Are you ready to sing and dance, JCI?
Let's go!
Okay, so let's start off with the first game for this evening. Of course, to assist me is with me, the very beautiful pageant manager and VP for CMEA, Carmela. Palakpakan naman natin.
Yes, I'd like to welcome each and every one of you for our Lena's Night of the Record. So let's enjoy and have some fun. Okay?
Of course, this is not just for fun, this is all for a good
Yes,
cause.
for a powerful cause for the community.
Yeah, so reminders again, 10% of the bar sales from Lanois will go to the community projects of JCI Manilena. So
Excited actually to introduce our game. It is Sing It or Sip It.
sing it or sip it.
Alright!
Who is our first? Lucky? Lucky nga ba? And our first
And our first
sing it or sip it contestant is
Reggie, you!
President Reggie Yu. Ay, may tumakas na.
Ang bilis.
Okay, we'll save his name for
Okay,
later.
we'll
Okay,
save.
pagbalik, hindi siya makakatakas. Okay, for our next contestant.
So, for our next contestant for tonight, Senator Allen Uy!
So, how are you enjoying tonight's celebration? Hey, guys,
Parang singit siya.
Okay? So, how are you enjoying so far our Lena's night?
So far, so good.
So far, so good. But after your song,
My song.
yeah, after your song, so far, so good pa rin ba?
Sing it, sing it.
Sing it or sing it ba, guys?
Sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it.
So one song lang. You have a choice to sing or take a shot, but since they are encouraging you to sing, kaya lang ikaw yung buena mano sing eh. So dapat you have to sing. Pagbigyan. Sing ba, guys? Sing. Okay, Sen, anong kakantain? Any song, siya yung nag-suggest.
My way.
My way daw.
Uwian na.
Meron tayong ano.
Wag, shot na lang.
Shot na.
Wala pang inom eh.
Papayag ba kayo mag-shot muna? First contestant sin eh. Pagbigyan na natin
Pwede
si...
ba pass the mic?
Ma'am, later
Call a
kayo.
friend.
Pwedeng call a friend for a duet. I'll allow that. Sige yan.
Madam John na lang.
Madam Jan. Ihutong muna ang pagkain, Senator Jan. Yung tinatawagan ka, mag-duet daw kayo. Yes. Palakpakan naman natin si Senator Jan. Ay, ready to, tinanggal ang salamin, guys. umiyak ng konti eh. Dyan, pwede din namang song and dance number. Mamaya, okay.
100,000 yun.
Congratulations sa JCI Manilena. Yeah, Regulars, of course, in collaboration with the JCI, MMJS and JCI Manila. Thank you for
Yes.
your overwhelming support.
Yay!
Also, Send JJ and to all you guys.
Yay!
Thank you very much.
48K na! So,
Thank you, Sir JJ!
these are all wisely.
Okay, and Kiko, sino boboto sa kanila? That was a very beautiful duet, mind you. From Group 2, St. Joel, Empress AJ, Manila, Kusang Manila, St. Armand. Thank you very much, guys, for being such a good sport. Picture.
Ano pong masasabi niyo sa trophy?
Gold.
Our evening and open our after party.
Metro Manila JC Senate, Philippines, our sponsors, guests, and JCI Senate Manila, and past presidents and fellow Manilanians and friends. Thank you for supporting and coming tonight.
So kakatapos lang ng event and thank you so much for supporting my channel and this event for Metro Manila JC Senate. This is Meldy Baldovino. Bye guys! Congratulations! Metro Manila JC!